In this video, I'll show you how to reconcile a part payment in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left hand side, you want to click on the sixth option, which is accounting. Now, under accounting, you want to head over to the banking section. And down below, you want to click on bank accounts. Now, that will take you to your bank account section. And from here, what you want to do is simply head over to the bank account in which you want to reconcile a part payment. I want to head over to my business bank account. And once you have your bank account, you want to head over to the right hand side of that account, click on the three dots for more actions. And on the Reconcile tab, you want to click on Reconcile Account. Once you do that, you'll be taken to your bank account. And what I want you to do is head over to your bank statement lines. And in here, you want to find the exact bank statement that has a prepayment. Now, let's say the amount that was received is $100, but the invoice is different. Now, in order for you to reconcile a part payment, you want to head over to the right hand side, bank statement line, and at the top, you want to make sure that you are on the match tab. Now, once you click on match, it will show you all of the invoices that you have. And in order for you to search the invoice that is related to this name or contact, and what you want to do is simply copy the name or the contact, and you can also do the same for the reference. Now, once you do that, you want to head over to the top of the first option, and in here you will have a search bar to search by name or a reference. Now, you just want to add the name, and on the right hand side, just simply click on go. Now, once you click on go, you will see here you have your invoices for this company or this contact. I have here an invoice for 250 NZD, but the amount that was received was less than that, and it is $100. Now, in order for you to reconcile a part payment, what you want to do is simply head over to the left hand side of that invoice and click on the check mark. Now, from here, you want to head over to the middle of the reference as well as the spend and click on the middle to split. Now, when you click on split, it will automatically set a part payment of $100 or 100 NZD. And at the top, this will be the exact amount that was received. Now, you want to make sure when setting up a part payment is that it is not more than the amount that you have received or spent within the bank statement line. And once you're done, head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on split. Now, once you click on split at the bottom, you will now have an option to reconcile. Now, once you have the option to reconcile, just simply click on it and it will automatically reconcile that bank statement line. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.